These are the first steps to creating your snowflake project. Don't forget your name and teacher code on the back. You will have a variety of snowflake stencils to help you get the snowflake shapes on your paper. The ones that are a little bit skinnier tend to be a little more wobbly, so be careful when you're using those. And the larger ones, they're a little easier to hang on to, but I would say if you're having a little problem, ask a neighbor at your table to help you hold it still while you trace carefully with a pencil. I would like for you to add at least 3 partial snowflakes on your paper. If you want, you could add 1 in the middle and then do partial ones around it. Really, you can do as many as you want. Just remember, we do have limited time, so if you are a little bit slower when it comes to coloring, you may want to just stick with the 3. And also, don't leave your middle all empty. Try and do it so one of the snowflakes kind of goes in the middle area so you don't have a bunch of negative empty space in the middle of your paper. Go ahead and position your snowflake where you want. Hold on really tight and take your pencil and go all the way around. You're now ready to start adding your pastel inside of your snowflakes. So what you're going to do is you'll take the blue and you'll trace around it, and then you'll color really dark on the inside of your snowflakes. When you're tracing, if your line's a little wobbly, that's okay. So you're going to go around your whole entire snowflake. Hopefully you were really careful not to smear too much. Now you're ready to start adding that white. So what you're going to do when you add the white is you're going to actually color a tiny bit where the blue is, and you're going to work your way towards the center of it. And you'll notice that it kind of pulls that blue from the edge all the way out, and that's what you want. Some areas you may not be able to see very well where the white is, so if you tip your paper, you can tell where the pastel is at, or even if you just tap your finger to feel if it's tacky or not, you'll be able to tell if there is pastel on there as well. So you make sure to color really, really dark so that when you add watercolor, it won't accidentally go over top of where your snowflake is. So color this in really, really dark. Make sure it's entirely filled. The whole area is filled up. And just go ahead and repeat this process until you have all your snowflakes really nicely colored in.